Welcome back to this video session once again. And today we have to solve a new question for you. And that question is also related to the maths Olympiad examinations, right? And this question belongs to an exponential equation. Just see here on your screen, solve for positive integer solution. That is 4 to the power x minus 36 to the power y is equals 28, where x and y belongs to positive integers. Okay, so now you have to think it over these exponential terms in this equation. Any questions, if in exponential particularly, if we have variable exponent, the questions will seems to be very critical. Okay, so here the exponent is a variable x and y. So our primary duty is to change this variable into numerical value. And this is the key idea of this question. Right? Of course, you know 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. And 36 can be written as 6 to the power 2. So just insert the value of 4 and 36 in this equation, right? So here you can write 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x minus 6 to the power 2 whole to the power y, and this will become 28. Okay? Now you have to think it over. A to the power m whole to the power n is nothing but a to the power m times n. Okay? Now, if you reverse this power like this way, a to the power n whole to the power m, then this will become n times m. So both will be equal. So just use this technique here. Okay? So now you can write here 2 to the power 2 times x minus 6 to the power 2 times y is equal to 28. Now 2 to the power x whole square minus 6 to the power y whole square can be written as 28. By using this technique here, by reversing the exponent, okay, now the base in this exponent is 2 to the power x, and now the base in this exponent is 6 to the power y. So both the bases 2 to the power x and 6 to the power y are different here. But the exponent in this term is same, 2 and 2 here. Okay, so now you can consider here 2 to the power x is nothing but a, let it be, and 6 to the power y is nothing but b. Okay, so if you insert the value of 2 to the power x and 6 to the power a here, the equation will reduces in the form of a squared minus b squared equals 28. And this equation implies that a plus b into a minus b equals 28. And this is a very good algebraical identity, you know. Okay, now if you insert the value of a once again here, the equation will look like 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y times 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y is equals 28. Now just think, if you multiply these two factors, you have a positive number 28 here. This means 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y greater than 0, and 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is also greater than 0, because both these terms, if you multiply, you will get a positive number 28. Okay, so now you just think, if 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is greater than 0, okay, so what will give you this number? Just think here. Okay, so Just think here, 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y greater than 0. So you can write here 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y plus 6 to the power y greater than 0 plus 6 to the power y by using the rule of inequality. Okay, because in the rule of inequality you have to add or subtract same term both sides. So I have added here 6 to the power y and 6 to the power y both sides. So this will not affect the inequality sign. So now you can write here 2 to the power x greater than 6 to the power y. And if 2 to the power x is greater than 6 to the power y, this means x always greater than y. Okay, so x will be greater than y from these facts. Now just see here, if x and y are a positive integer, let it be x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 because x is greater than y. You can see here. Okay, then what will be the result? If 2 to the power 2 plus 6 to the power 1 will become 4 plus 6, that is 10. If 2 to the power 3 plus 6 to the power 2, this is 8 plus 36, that is 44. So these two number will become even number. Okay, so this factor is look like even. So if you add two even numbers, you will get the even number. And if you subtract here two even number, then we'll get also even number. Because 2 to the power x is even, 6 to the power y is even. If you subtract these two number, you will get even. This means even times even will equal to 28, and this is even. Okay, so now you have to use a concept and factorize 28 in such a way so that you can get two even numbers in their factor. Okay, so now you can write here 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y multiplied by 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y equals, what is the factor of 28? The factor of 28 can be written as 1 into 28, that is 28, 2 into 14, that is 28, right? And 7 into 4, that is 28. But no factor is not possible now. So out of these two factors, just see here two even numbers in their left hand side. So here one is odd, but 28 is even. So this is odd multiply even. So this is not possible. This is also odd multiplied by even, so not possible. But this is even 2, and this is even 14, and this is even 28. So this is a good factors here to fulfill the condition of these two factors. So at the place of 28, you can write 2 multiplied by 14, right? Now you can say that 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y greater than 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y. And so by comparison, 2 to the power 6 plus 6 to the y equal to 14. Okay, 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equal to 14, and 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y equals 2. Okay, now just see here what is the value of x and y. If you put x is equals 3 and y equals 1, what is the result? 2 to the power 3 plus 6 to the power 1, and that is equal to 14. Okay, because 8 plus 6 equal to 14. In the same way, if 2 to the power 3 minus 6 to the power 1, this will become 8 minus 6, that is 2. And this is right. So you can say that x equal to 3 and y equal to 3 is the required solution for this equation. because these two positive integers 1 and 3 satisfy the relation 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equal to 14, and 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y equals 2. So by using this concept, you can solve this question. These are very beautiful questions here. Okay, so I hope you will understand these solutions. If you have any problem, you can contact me by leaving a message. Okay, thank you very much to listen to my videos, and once again I will meet you in the next video sessions, and till that, take care. Thank you very much, and bye bye.